Here is my 1955 Kenmore box fan. I got this at a yard sale for $40, but they just, the lady offered it as $30, so here it is. I'm going to post a video of it, and also, it was really quiet on high, but just got louder. I don't know if the fan's just speeding up, but here's the data. There it is. F55. You can barely read it. It says F-50 something. That's 55. Manufactured in February of 1955. There it is. And I'm gonna put the grill back on. There's the motor in there. Alright, a little hard getting the grill back on right here. It just barely gets on there. So let's turn it on. Oh, I forgot I unplugged it. How silly.
Matter of fact.
Let's stop. Sorry about that interruption. So, back to it. Here is low. Medium. Then high. There we go. That fan is extremely noisy on high. "64 years old and still working fine." Sorry about that, forgot to zoom out. There's the data right there. It's orange. Thanks for watching. Out. This has been a TanFan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.